To me, STEAM means that I don't have to choose. I can become a scientist and still produce art forms.
STEAM is the ability to freely express your creativity through more than what meets the eye.
To me, STEAM is life. You need a good balance of science and art in your everyday.
STEAM is a way to integrate an artistic flair into traditionally STEM activities. STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, can be made wonderful by adding A, the arts, STEAM. It's a holistic way of looking at it instead of looking at science in an own silo, technology all by itself, engineering in a silo, and math all by itself. Put it all together and make it STEAM.
To me, STEAM means being innovative, discovering new ideas, and building our old ones.
But what does STEAM means to me? STEAM is putting an artistic feel for everyday life, for all walks of life, whether you're young or old. Come on, just STEAM.
STEAM encompasses science, technology, engineering, math, and include the arts, which is everything I love.
To me, STEAM means coming up with creative approaches to solve problems.
STEAM. What does STEAM mean to me? STEAM is a way to intellectually exercise your mind and your five senses. That's what STEAM means to me.